Ladies and gentlemen, the train conductor has just advised me that we're just a couple minutes from the TACOMA station.
There it is.
Remember now, no passengers will be detrained from the lounge car or the diner. So if you're going to Tacoma, if you're in the lounge car, please return back to your designated car. Have your personal belongings ready to detrain. Detrain means leaving the train. If you're going to Tacoma, you should be preparing yourself for leaving this train. We'd like to thank our Tacoma passengers for traveling on the Coast Starlight and on Amtrak. It was a pleasure having you aboard. If you enjoyed your trip, please tell a friend or two.
See that station over there?
Mm-hmm.
That used to be the old station. It's really beautiful inside.
The one that's really weird.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
And they're acting like everyone's supposed to get off here.
You're not. They said only for the people